It is another beautiful, beautiful snowy day in Paonia, Colorado. The snow just looks so pretty, I felt like I had to film it. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. Light and fluffy and beautiful. I love our town. Ah, there's Jed looking out the window. Hi, Jedediah. I wish you all could experience this. It's like a snow globe.